Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar, I think we're going down in a wave C, which I think will either be like a running wave C, which means they would make a higher low and then continue up, or possibly it's going to turn into an expanding wave C, which would go down and make a lower high compared to these highs right here, or the higher lows that is, and then eventually end up going back up to make the bigger push up. So either scenario, I think we are going down as of right now in a wave C. Going down to the weekly time frame, there's no proof that this is going up. We do have a Fibonacci bounce right here at the 78%, but we don't have a break of structure. We don't have like a significant higher low. This move up actually could be part of a correction to the downtrend, so we still could end up going down and taking out these lows right here, making an expanding wave C. So we're going down to the daily time frame. So on the daily, we do have a breaker structure to the upside, and this move up I think is definitely a trend. So the question is this like a wave A of a correction to this last wave down, or is this possibly a trend reversal? So I think right now we're in a correction to the move up like a wave B, or possibly this is a wave 1 and a wave 2. The best thing to do is try to go long at the end of this wave B or 2, and then hopefully learn and earn at the same time, whether it goes up and makes a wave C and then turns back down at a fib level, or whether it makes a wave 3, which would likely still bounce at fib levels, but a wave 3 would be very strong and probably eventually go up and start breaking these structures. So, anyways, going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this move up right here definitely looks to me like a trend. Like I said, it's either an A or a 1. I think that this move down is actually part of a correction to this last move up right here, so this is likely like a wave A. I think we're likely in a wave B, and I think we're more than likely going to go down for a wave C to make a more proper correction to this last move up. Like I was saying, this is either a wave B or a wave 2. The best thing we can do is go long and try to learn and earn at the same time, whether it's a wave C, which would probably go up to like the 60, 51% and then turn back down. Or if we're lucky and we go long and it just turns into a big old wave 3, that's almost like a bonus trade for us. Taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I think that we're more than likely in a correction to this last move up on the 4 hour time frame. I think that this move down right here is a wave A. I think this very overlapping, very corrective pattern right here is a wave B, which is a correction to the wave A. And eventually, I think we're going to go down and probably take out the low of wave A for a wave C. If you see 3 waves down like this, and then you see like the end of a trend for the wave C, then that would definitely be a really nice long, especially if it happens at a Fibonacci retracement level of this last push up, or maybe at a Fibonacci extension of this wave A right here projected off the top of wave B. Either way, that would probably be the next big trade that I would be looking for, is trying to go long and hopefully learning and earning at the same time, whether we're looking at a wave C or whether we're looking like at a wave 3 like I was explaining on the 4 hour and daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, it's linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.